Dear WordPress users, if you want to publish content in bulk on WordPress or even publish scheduled posts in bulk, we have good news for you. Excel to WordPress Post or Page plugin simplifies the bulk import of contents to WordPress. Some of the amazing features of the Excel to WordPress Post or Page are: 1. Immediately publish to post or page or both together. 2nd, schedule the post or page. 3rd, insert image in the post or page. 4. Optimize the contents for SEO by filing Yoast SEO fields. 5. Insert 2 keywords with anchor words. Now, look closely. We show you how easy it is to use the Excel to WordPress Post plugin to fill the contents to WordPress website. After you install the plugin and activate it, click the Excel to Post menu in the admin sidebar, and download the Excel template. Open the template file. Now fill up the template. The heading of the template file is very easy to understand. I will demonstrate the most important aspects of this plugin. Write a title in the column titled Post Title and actual contents in Post column. Fill categories and tags. If more than one, separate by a comma. You can schedule a post or page by giving any date here. WordPress will publish as per the date given in the column here. In the column headed where, just write post or page where you want to publish or schedule after import. The next column is for the status of the post or page. You should fill this column with words either draft or publish. The next column is for the image. You should fill image file name, for example abc.png or xyz.jpg. Please note that you should keep the images in the same folder where you are saving the template file. This will help in uploading all image files with the template files together. The next columns are for filling the anchor links and for filling the Yoast SEO data. Once the template file is completed, save it in a folder where you have kept the image. Next, upload the template file and the image files together. Let us match the rows of imported files and actual publications. We published this to post. See, it is published. Now we had written this post as a draft, and see it in WordPress. It is published as a draft. Let us give attention to this row, where we have written page. Let us go to the WordPress page list. It is published here. We hope you understood how easy it is to manage publishing from an Excel spreadsheet.